What drop players too. Goalkeeping department wa drop Freddy Kasare. Um, left back, right back wa no drop Ayashikwe of Great Olympics. Next was Sonne so. When say Kelvin Osesibe has at the point no can squad now free, you know. Later Osesibe ebe free team no mu bi. Ubenya Wahid Fuseni Neymar of Inswatremai. To ono so coach ne drop no. Dauda Saka coach ne drop no. Initially not Justice Blay eka list of players of from later Blay obe drop no. Se league na one free Lord Amoa, one free Patrick Esiedu, the two right and left of Kotoko. One free Abloa, that means you've gone in for the best. Okwe nimwa Hamza Isa of Hard to Folk and Rams to two coach no a drop no. John son can squad no. To coach now a drops bar. When you have time to try all the players, Emmanuel Mafu of Ediana. Or not at the point not a top scorer in the league. And Sana Chaute move to them to or Freno later or drop or Mafu. Yes, why help players no? Oh, because if you called about 70 players now Soniswa Baba Banka Cranes and so too, why help
and the final qualifier.
To 26 players you are afraid them to you will GDS say washomo and you are going in for the best. Mobile here Jumano at the amount. Benjamin Asare appear Kubi and a year Kofi Mensah of Nations. We mean the three goalkeepers. I won't be surprised or the housekeeper never da. Or the Asare never da. I won't be surprised though. Samate Samuel Tete ever right ho and or the Kamara Dean of a year Midiama. So too from what I'm picking or be a Kamara Dean the best started ever a year right side. Also Kamara Dean so time Blasters players ni prepare ani ni je be bono obebobi to wire rasta bi sa na bodju bebre bi ono so bebobi left horn be Isaac Afo I mean Samates player or call Blasters ani ade and muso obebo no ahead of Sulemana Abdullahi and Francis Aqua obebo Isaac Afo possibly based on what is happening center back no or options Ali Mohammed Accra Lions, Razak Simpson Nations FC, Ebenezer Alban, and a Heart of Lions. Yes, probably Alban ne Simpson 4 and 5. Now Hafiz Ibrahim, Obebo Hafiz ahead of Abdul Karim of Nations. Wanyabutro, Manuel Manteso. Midiama or but maybe a Mante will be on the bench. They say wash him to wash him pa. Anyway, yeah. Emmanuel Entry
blend, no?
Emmanuel Entry, Derek Forjomo, maybe you bet me my former medal train. Maybe who have fees.
I know about a lot of friendly matches.
Almost about matches, yes. Have fees, Entry, Forjo, bet me I am medal or possibly anything can happen. Maybe a bit my Emmanuel Mante. What's I say?
Kotoko boy team
I likely say Albert Tamu Abebo. And a captain no Basake Holy Stars. Isaka. I think I had them. Yakubu Isa or no Basake Holy Stars. Likely so also best start captain them too. So definitely he will start. Maybe a Jerry Free and Albert Amua LED attack no. And I mean he has no excuse. Forget about how solid the Nigerian team is. This is the best of the best. He had options. Oshe Bebiani Go Stars goalkeeper now. Emmanuel Kubi, excellent. Lawrence Lawrence Osei of Heart of Lions, excellent keeper. To drop wash mupa. Anyway, they are one thing and how they call. So you cannot come out with any excuse. Attack. A team that drops Hamza Isadie. It shows you the options are available. Because Wafa Jerry Free, Albert Tamwa Chawote of Nations and Abdul Karim. Sorry, Mohammed, Abdul Mohammed of Nswatremai. Next, what was to Ashim? So it's about results. And there can't be an excuse of I don't know the players. Because now ni mo munti na afraid bebre no. And ama mo be ye training na was on so. And they be this level. So I'm expecting the Galaxies to give us a good scoreline. Nyame adoma question that Didi is an experienced manager. Moto from Kotoko, where we are the various national teams. I call the blasters, propers, and assistant coach. One Chris Hutton na adwuma. So soon bibi kakra. Na yes, he has a lot of experience.
Obobo kakra did you aware?
Oh, okay.
He played
average.
He played for Roadmasters.
Oh, okay.
There's all kinds of Roadmasters.
Hey,
got to be chum says you have.
Okay. So
that's that team that did you omit for.
Any I'm fat. Did
but as a coach, I think he's fine.
So maybe a Maxwell and Timian, he need to get it done for us, because I don't think so in recent times tragedies are out to the senior the male team, you know. So now we are going to AFCON, and for the first time in almost 20 years.
Let's hope that Black Stars for spirit to be in so.
Because when you're Samuel Buadu, who has also been around the Blaster, the local league, into also in boys CB. But don't remember Kramiri Free Steven Amankona. Amankona is also there.
Amankona owns that.
Likely to start.
Amankona.
Yeah, Amankona. Amankona is like last season he was the top scorer in the Ghana Premier
League.
Oh, he's likely to start. Everything is possible.
Amankona proves to me go or Chelsea go.
But I think the Galaxy one or more trusting.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, trusting. Yes. So
some word do so. To go to be how to use
exactly. Johnny Didi, they must get down and get their job done. Sunday, no excuse.
Okay.
Times too. We are going to discuss the good performance of the Galaxy and pay any other story contrary to that. Now, I heard the games, and now 90 minutes I was watching out to folk, and first thing first. Omun look like a team and no lose Kotkone has match. Also, so Kotkone has match, you know, yeah, teams be lose or this invincible pressure be you see it around the team. Especially yesterday now, the man himself, Kelvin Osei was the captain of Arsenal folk in the absence of Benjamin Asare. Once Asare what Galaxy in Tino. Shaibu Schwab, the Omkofan free Wafano on the bed. I was a Kwesin Ketia was on the bench. And now Obo Amufa and Osei no form of pressure. The only issue was they were exposed on certain occasions. Highline, Emma Chelsea phone calling some ball passes between mu defense, and that was the only problem. But in all those occasions, keeper was quick out of his line. No, or no bigger for Emmanuel Sapon. Say Sapon the ball ebe to atenemu, and has had a good start. No to enra. Salim Adams and Seminum, you sure say danger man, but obey with a mupa, Yami Aduma Monday. I no crap because Salim was not even part of the first 18. The news says ya Salim Asono. I no crap because not first 18 on county. New Dubias boy, no. Another new Dubias boy in Alfred Ramsey, and so to another the first goal. Edema I had to focus. So a player about Abdul Salam better now. What kind of was I say the boy is a brilliant chap. I say has for you soon born now on him born and yes sir. And use no. Ewo team no man run nya first go. Edema had to focus and raso no. Nam person me focus on Hamza kakra because Hamza Kotoko has ni we no. Na Hamza Jane so call Galaxy so. To news about so nam kwan so an man who said there be on cast squad no. Hamza Isa. Tinam Jane say psychologically e be nya any effect on him, but that was not the story. And now ye adwuma ne kama e make sure say or the ball no to net Mudiama had to fuck. Hamza was also on the score sheet. Brilliant goal. Hansana a year Kwabena Boatin so Ediba Akokano Edema a year had to fuck. So all in all, it was a good game from Coach Efena Abubakar Watara. House of Folk played well. Chelsea was a stubborn side, but not stubborn enough to do any form of damage.
But you know, on Salim Adams or 3 yellow cards.
Okay.
And you know, another one or 3 yellow cards. Also, or pick a yellow card against Kotoko. You know, 2 that.
There's a news of
3 yellow cards.
suspension. Well, about one thing.
I'm just saying after say already.
Oh, say near you better check other matches now. Say this week.
I will go take say I'm password.
No better check other matches next match. No, because it's danger by.
Maybe they can settle us.
So on say
all 3 yellow cards no. Asem na da.
Matthias here. But me see 25th.
And punishing.
25th is a match.
Who's that going with you?
About what is happening now? There's the news out there. Means what here? Say after the game, there was an issue and the coach to some extent has suspended Salim.
And just as I'm
man cannot emphatic. Me see a
me then I'm gassy beer.
So they
so
it clarifies that, but we still say see a shishim too. So should they see a shishim say if indeed there is something like that, because one or the other has so I'm missing an absence because of Ramsey.
About my own in China, Musami, say, but some be say the be next week. But say and say be a suspension.
Yellow cars minimum, but also in
Baba Muzati German, Utia British. Oh, Ghana saying Salim is on suspension due to card accumulation. Okay. Tinam be the case settles.
Okay,
and ask
pick yellow against Mediama.
And now just suspend. And now accumulation is suspension at you.
I didn't see a suspension.
Let me go to on say utie ma asem ni ya. Make say asem a da bonten. Utie mi ya. Nti e be hwem nyame ya adoma Monday. To me say me say e be hwem by Monday ni ahwem. To get to the bottom of it. So if the news is coming,
Abbas did it.
I'm just want to say wasam no. E bia nkofo say suspension.
Be a suspension we no.
And one fan
say
team now suspend no.
Konande so anya we.
Okay. So me to a good game for her to for good game for her. I mean, yesterday they played well. Hamza Isa especially. I was okay with Hamza, the modern ball boy. I mean, how we neutralizing. Okay, so that made me.
Abbas are checking the over, but men start any investigation on Monday.
No,
but Monday men on a danger. I'm going to them before.
But then has just some more options. Especially through first Collinson. I was happy for Collinson. One said position not born in your position a type of Wabaso. So number 6 one. But now he was the man of the match. And now people also speaking for either Ramsey, say Ramsey so no, the man of the match. But Esibe is a different boy altogether. And now I'm sure Bona no Bona. Yeah, I say
solid.
And your man can say you play Bianca after the game in Sama Kono. Say Osage Captain Samba and Crab.
Yona is a solid defender.
And one come here, so
House of Folk and Kotoko.
I don't
go.
The House of matches people make mistakes, but I no.
And the
Nini Hosa. But yesterday I was okay with him. I was okay with him with the performance. Kotoko game in the Kotoko game no excuse. This about results. Some say
Kotoko. I've seen already. Yeah. That's always that.
The Open League didn't know one and any other.
And she said to Kotoko no can say banana the excuse be a best or question. End of story. Yeah,
Zito's any excuse.
Be any excuse. So Zito see Obesha Kotoko. He had an extensive interview or explaining how he's going to beat Kotoko. So we want to see how that will happen. Dreams or issues.
Zito Kotoko new. Nam just Zito or Kotoko new. Now, on my no,
to me and Sha. When Shama is in a Juma house of Fukuda.
Nazokoto was why you mother.
It is a careful house in here. Be Kababi and Mino. Young Ram, then a Casa, Napem, then a Casa,
on an Encasa,
Zito. Oh, you don't have a program with your bow.
Airphones, oh, Papa, Airphones on my number. So, but you from now,
Kotoko, based on training, court a ball left. Now, Lord Amo about right. Sambane a blow 4 and 5. Now, when your Kamara Kamara will still be imposed. Babayaya, Andrews in team menu, Justice Blay, middle three. Elvis Chebafu Awuche, Peter Aqua, and Saka Dauda. Front three for Asante Kotoko. This is the possible 11 of Asante Kotoko. I share him say, coach.
Mom say has in the room.
Yes, Mom say has about 9.
Hey, send you.
Changes near.
And they do
Lions, your mom was Lions boy on the mean.
Lions.
Send that. And there's that. Last week phone numbers
last week 9. Last week, Kamara, Lord Amwa, Ablo, Samba, Blay in team Yaya, Saka, and Peter Aqua, the boy on the screen. It changes near Albert Amwa.
Peter Amidu Aqua.
Yes, changes near Albert Amwa for Awuche for Albert Amwa based on training. Now, suspension, a yellow card accumulated for Patrick Essiedu.
Okay.
In team, you two. Nessa Cote Beba.
Because Sudan is your come on.
And they say that
smart.
I declare say Kwame Poku Mobi. Kwame Poku Kotkunyan register no. The convo say Kwame Poku bet me about a Go Stars match no. That is on Tuesday.
Only a moment do couldn't maintain his angle for you.
Yes.
And the second round was crying.
But unfortunately, I heard son Albert Tamwa Go Stars match no so one samba.
I did that.
So I'm Sunday now. Go Stars matching is on Tuesday. We are not. It looks clear, but say Ghana match near the following Sunday, 28.
Oh Ghana.
Oh Nigeria.
Also my boy answer.
So Ghana be Sunday. To me, so me release players no.
I also mom be born answer no.
On Tuesday and Wednesday. No matter to Kwanyako Nigeria. I don't see how that will happen, but. Go Stars, then there's the advantage of Kwame Poku's return, which Coach Ogma studio said he's ready anytime, any day. But at the end, it's to say Cheba for Awuche when he starts to take advantage. So far,
okay,
strikers never and one take advantage. Ne when Timmy Hunuswa.
And happy birthday, born wanya de on just Mr. Victor Dami. Say a tough friend of Alaha, CEO of Home of Alaha Enterprise. Victor Dami. If in a year, Mrs. Odami and all workers are more Home of Alaha Enterprise. Home of Alaha Enterprise. I remember here, but so 1 week. Teteno, papa so 1 week wa Accra. Daniel Kofi Nsuapem Opom. It's in Japan, and ne Dean Foundation School. Mammy Diok Foundation School at Blekuma Farm Milk Block Factory. Farm Milk or more, and they are 1 week. Daniel Kofi Nsuapem Opom, aka Japan. Into Riano, I could draw 21st December 9 a.m. on my side. Abbas, didn't tell enough.